Happy Mother's Day to all the incredible mothers. May the Lord bless and keep you, protect you from all evil, make you smile, make your heart filled with so much joy. May God give our children the opportunity to become great and greater than their peers, so our hearts will be gladdened. I'm making this egusi soup for my daughter because she's going to share it with some of her friends. So come on, guys, let's do this together. Happy Mother's Day to every one of you out there, all the incredible mothers. Happy Mother's Day to you all. So you all know how it rolls. Every Mother's Day I like to make food for my family. So I started prepping since yesterday, prepping all my meat and all the assorted. So today I've gone ahead to start mixing all of them together. I've been able to make some of this. I'm still going on to do some more. Already made stew for efforiro soup. This is all of the stew. Just prep and make sure I get my family ready for the Mother's Day. So guys, here we have ofaku. I've made this ofaku with assorted meats, roundabout beef, stockfish, dried fish, and some beef and some beef tripe. Okay, so I haven't added vegetable yet. I just prepped it because I want the vegetable fresh in it when I'll start eating. So I've gone ahead to make this ofaku. I'll show you other things. So yeah, this is my vegetable soup. You all know how I love to eat vegetable in this kitchen, especially because of hubby. So I've gone ahead to make some efforiro. I'll be making some egusi as well. If you want to know how, this is my stockfish. I'll be shredding some of it. I won't use everything. I'll be using some of it for the egusi soup. I've gone ahead to cook it down. If you want to know how I made this efforiro, you can check on my YouTube platform. You're going to see all my efforiro recipes. I have a lot of them. Go ahead and check out how I made this efforiro. Make it for your family. For this Mother's Day, I'm sure they're going to love it. So here, I've gone ahead to grill my chicken. I'm going to be shredding all of this into my soup. Yeah. Here, I have some turkey. I'm going ahead to grill all of this. This is all for Mother's Day enjoyment. This is all for Mother's Day enjoyment. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this green bell. I'm using it for my egusi stew. I'm going to blend it right away. Going ahead, these are all of the stuffs I'm going to be using for my egusi soup. You all know how it rolls in this kitchen. I'm going to be using all of this. I have onion, garlic, ginger, turmeric, some habanero pepper. I have some scotch. I have 2 tomatoes. Yeah, these are all I'm going to be using. I'm going to blend this right away for my egusi soup recipe. Okay, and then I'm going to be adding some of this green bell. It's going to make this egusi soup come out very delicious. So stay tuned. I'm going to blend all of this and I'll start adding everything to my pots. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and add some palm oil. So guys, I'll go ahead and add some palm oil. I'm doing a egusi soup. Okay. Going ahead is my blended bell. I'll add it. Alright guys, here is my bell and the rest of them. Onion, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and so on. Don't worry. So guys, I just want to show you I added HUBBY, 2 of them. It will melt in here, or you can just blend it together with your peppers. But I'm trying to be as fast as I can, so you can just match it this way by the pot side. I hope I will see the second one. Okay, this is the second one. Break it in. If you want to know how I make egusi soup from the very beginning, go to my channel and look for egusi soup recipe. I have several egusi soup recipe. This one is a special request. You know, it's Mother's Day, so my girls have requested that I make egusi soup. So that's what I'm trying to do with every strength that I have, just to make it up to them. I've gone in with the egusi. I'll allow it to melt up and see if I have to add some more. But for now, I'll just allow this to cook. Then I'll see if I have to add some more egusi. So guys, I'm gonna add some crayfish. Now some pieces of beef tripe. Delicious egusi soup. Close it up. I'm waiting for my chicken. I'm waiting for my chicken. Woo! It's gonna be a delicious egusi soup. I'm gonna add some shrimps, see how it's looking. This is amazing egusi soup. Okay guys, this is bitter leaf. I like to add bitter leaf to my soup. Yeah, so I just plucked this from my little garden at the back house. I'm using kale for this, so bitter leaf. The next is kale, frozen kale. Yeah. Wow, guys. Wow, wow, wow. This egusi is good. Oh my. Our chicken is still grilling. I'm going to add it at last. The chicken will be the last thing I'm going to be adding. But this egusi is so delicious. Ready. all I need to add to this now is the chicken. See the egusi. I want it to be in lumps. You see, when I added it, I didn't stir it. See my egusi in lumps, right? That's what I wanted, and I achieved it. See my egusi in lumps. Panels is blocked. Yeah. Wow. Oh my God, this is good. This is good, guys. This is good, guys. This is very good. Okay. Camera lady wants some. This is really good, man. Wow. Makamen. This is it for our egusi soup. Wow. So our chicken is ready. I'm going to add some of it into the soup, and then we'll start chocolating.
Hello.
Yeah, we have our chicken going on. I just added the chicken. Is this not enough?
Yeah, it's okay. Just
Hmm?
I'll tell him.